Hello everyone, this is Kapil Sharma from Upright Skills. Welcome to the course on Docker Fundamentals. This is a beginner guide for Docker users. Let me introduce myself Kapil Sharma, your host and your mentor for this course. I am based out of Vadodara, India. I am working as a cloud architect. I am certified as a AWS solution architect. I have some other certification which is ITIL certification, Red Hat certification, Microsoft certification, and soon we'll be going for Docker certification. This is hands-on beginner guide to Docker, and we will learn Docker in an interactive way. So how this course will work? This course will have lectures on various Docker topics followed by demos. We will go through some coding exercises where you will learn and practice writing your own Docker commands, build your own Docker containers, Docker images using Dockerfile. Developing Docker images for different use cases will give you more understanding and a pretty good idea. And this will be a good practice for you. And lastly, we will be taking a practice test. This is only for testing your knowledge. Course outline. In this course, we are going to introduce you to Docker basics, what Docker is, how to run Docker containers, how Docker handles networking, how you can create your own Docker images. We will also learn Docker Compose and the Docker Swarm. This course is for Docker beginners to get some idea on Docker and to get started with it. So let's get started. That's it for this lecture, guys. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.